हेलो ओके मिलाओ बस ठीक हाँ चल चल फटाफट चल
अरे रे फोटो क्या अरे आगे मत जाओ यार मैडम सूर्या जी मैं ये कम आगे ना सर एक साथ में सूर्या जी एक फोटो आप सेल्फी बनाइए अरे यार चलिए चलिए दादा अंदर चलिए प्लीज हाँ हाँ चलो अंदर चल लेंगे दादा अंदर चलिए एक मिनट अनिल अनिल अंदर चलिए दादा अंदर चलिए अभी अंदर एक मिनट
Guys, please move behind.
चलो आ जाओ
चलो अंदर
साइड देना अदर चेक चेक साउंड चेक हेलो 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 ओके साउंड ओके हेलो ओके ये नीचे
Thank you so much for your patience. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and I would like to welcome you to the press conference of the 58th IDEA Filmfare Awards 2012. I would like to start the evening by thanking our hospitality partner, Leela Hotel Mumbai, for this wonderful venue. Well, as you are aware of it, Filmfare is the country's leading entertainment magazine, a part of Worldwide India, a Times Group company, Indian gods onto the screen. Being the pioneer of film magazines and award ceremonies in India, Filmfare has always celebrated the glorious history of our films. And the Filmfare Awards has always been the golden standard to gauge their excellence in cinema for the past 60 years. Idea Cellular is an Aditya Birla Group company, India's first truly multinational corporation, with 36,000 employees belonging to 42 nationalities. Idea Cellular is India's third largest national mobile operator. With over 115 million subscribers a day, Idea ranks top among the country's 10 best operators in the world. Hence, this affiliation between the two is a match well made, isn't it? So now, I would request Mr. Tarun Rai, CEO Worldwide Media, Mr. Shashi Shankar, Chief Executive Officer Idea Cellular, honor them by a round of applause, please. Thank you so much. Would request the media to please settle down. Photographers, you will get a lot of opportunities for photo ops.
अरे व्हाइट टी शर्ट अरे व्हाइट टी शर्ट है अरे व्हाइट टी शर्ट होने के लिए लगता है ना
Thank you so much.
ऑडियो बंद हो गया यार
Thank you once again.
ऐश्वर्या, हाय, हियर सलमा फ्रॉम Zoom. ऐश्वर्या, काफ़ी वक्त के बाद आप मीडिया से रूबरू हो रहे हैं. पहले तो ये एक्सपीरियंस बताइए कि कैसा लगा.
आपसे तो कई बार मिल चुके हैं इस साल. Not at an official press conference, but I've actually met you all several times this year.
Yeah, I know, and looking beautiful as usual.
Thank you.
ये बताइए कि फिल्म फेयर आपके लिए, जैसा कि हाँ आप घर ले जाएंगे, बट फिल्म फेयर जब आप फर्स्ट ट्रॉफी आपने जीती थी, आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था? पार्टी की थी, क्या किया था? Tell us your experience.
Well, to begin with, my association with Filmfare dates back to very early in my career, and that started with being recognized and acknowledged for acting prowess, and that's by far the most special opportunity for us to feel privileged holding a trophy, because that's what we're here for. We're actors. I mean, I'm an actor in this creative field. And to receive one so early in my career, my first one was for Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam, felt truly special. And I mean, I came in with a lot of you all know there was a lot of talk and a lot of expectation. I did not do the conventional launch of a newcomer. I did not live the life of a normal newcomer. Because I was already working on several films before even my first release. So to have gotten one for your acting prowess so early was very, very prestigious. I remember the excitement all around me, and I remember the industry actually, the jubilation you feel is when you experience the jubilation all around you. And to see that, to experience that only made it that much more special, having come from a family that does not belong to the film industry, I decided to be here as a professional, and to have that decision marked with such a privilege, as rightly pointed out, that holding the Black Lady was always equivalent to like holding an Oscar, and that made it just that much, made it incredibly special, and I felt very privileged so early in my career. आज के बारे में मैंने कहा कि of course this is going to be very different, because that was the thought running in my mind right now when I was posing with her for all the shutterbugs, that this is probably the first time in my career that actually I'm not having a nomination, but that's because I don't have a release. I have not made a film for more than a year or two right now. And in that split second, I recall that actually I've had the privilege, I think, and you can correct me, Jitesh, if there's a mistake here, of being nominated throughout my career. So this definitely also is an absolute privilege too, for your efforts as a member of the film industry to be marked. Even a nomination is as much of a privilege, because the work of not just you as an individual, a film is not made by an individual, but with any creative member of a particular film receiving a nomination, I believe the efforts of the entire crew and unit is being celebrated. The film has been recognized, the film is being celebrated, and that's the way I have regarded it throughout my career, and I'd say that makes it that much more of an honor when you receive this award.
Hi Aishwarya, Rashma here from Headlines.
I think I've answered all the questions for the afternoon.
No, we have some.
Everybody can use all the clips.
Aishwarya, Rashma here from Headlines today. Hi. Must say that every time we look at you, we are bound to ask you this question. When do we get to see you on the silver screen? Any plans of coming back soon? If you can just give us a date so that we can cling on to that now.
No, I can't give you a date. In our industry, people can't even guarantee release dates because everything changes around here. But I'm not saying that with any kind of, this is just a flip sense of humor. I'm not saying it with any disrespect. What I'm trying to say is that there can be no guarantees in the creative field. It's all a process of from the time you read a script, from the time the team comes together, the time you make your film, and actually only closer to the date of release can we say, because there are so many reasons that define the release of a film. It's not just if a film is ready, it's an industry, and we're all a part of it. So when I am on board with a film, you all will definitely know. I'm meeting you all throughout. Like I just said a little time ago, that this may be the first official press conference with the film industry, as a member of the film industry, that I'm sitting in front of you all. But I think I've been interacting with you all from very early, this in 2012, with all my endorsements, and you all have been meeting me. So in these regular interactions, you guys will know. You make your film, and actually only closer to the date of release can we say, because there are so many reasons that define the release of a film. It's not just if a film is ready, you know. It's an industry, and we're all a part of it. So when I am on board with a film, you all will definitely know. I'm meeting you all throughout. Like I just said a little time ago, that this may be the first official press conference with the film industry, as a member of the film industry, that I'm sitting in front of you all. But I think I've been interacting with you all from very early, this in 2012, with all my endorsements, and you all have been meeting me. So in these regular interactions, you guys will know for sure.
Also, in this year, if you had to pick up your favorite film actor and actress, who would that be?
Firstly, I'm not on the jury, and secondly, I'm not telling. That's as honest as I could be.
But any movie that you really liked, any film that you...
I think, like I said, I've never been one to answer this question on favorites, because in a creative field, that's a very difficult one to mark. And I won't say that just on the platform where we're discussing awards, but I've said this throughout my career. It's very difficult to mark favorites in a creative field, because the fact is, I believe everyone shines, everyone's out there putting their best foot forward. And there are various reasons for which a film can stand out more than the other. Sometimes it can be the very creative aspect of it. Sometimes it can be performances. Sometimes it can be the sheer business of it. And in those rare gems, you actually have the opportunity of having a culmination of all these factors together and more. So the fact is, cinema is enjoyed. It's the largest entertaining factor of our country. Sports and cricket follows, but I'd still say in the industry in cinema definitely holds the numero uno spot in terms of entertainment. Cinema is virtually almost a part of our culture today. We all grew up on it. Like it's a part of our tradition, our festivities, and we enjoy the music. There is no, I don't think anybody shies away from acknowledging how much they enjoy cinema. And that's important to be recognized, that's important to be underlined and acknowledged, and that's why I will never ever mention a particular favorite in any field of creativity.
I'm sure आपने बोल में तो देखी होगी because अभिषेक award मिलेगा सिनेमा भी जारी हो गया है.
What's the question there?
This is from Mr.
Sarji being your favorite in the world.
He's my favorite in life.
This is Mr. Tarun and Mr. Shashi. How about an idea of having Mr. Abhishek Bachchan also, as he's a brand ambassador for Idea also?
Hi.
Don't you feel like you're missing him, in fact? Like, this would have made a very perfect, both of you all. Abhishek Bachchan on the floor with you right now. Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't get the question. Sorry.
What about an idea? You must have thought about an idea of having Mr. Abhishek Bachchan also, along with Aishwarya for this press conference.
Oh, today? Oh,
yeah.
That would have been wonderful. But
He was here last year.
Yeah.
Refresher.
To have one superstar on the podium, that itself is an honor for us. To have them both would have been great, but we are very happy that Aishwarya is
enjoy
here.
one at a time.
Aishwarya, hi. This is Shani. Can you see me here? Hi. Aishwarya, we've seen you on the big screen, but apart from that, we also see you getting involved in a lot of social work. You are the UN Goodwill Ambassador as well. So, looking at the current scenario in the country, what are your views as a woman and as a citizen in the wake of events, the horrific gang rape and the silly, disturbing comments that are made by communal and religious
There's so much to be said, but very honestly, going by the reaction right now to the question, because it's such an important question, I'm not sure this is the platform for it, because there's a lot to be said, and I don't think I can reduce my opinions just to a couple of sentences. There is so much to be said on the given subject, because it is so serious, and because it does fire all our sentiments, ignites our sentiments enough to want to say so much. I'm not sure this is the platform for it. And just out of respect for this platform and for the subject we're talking about, I will refrain right now.
This is our only opportunity to know your views, because
I assure you, you'll meet me again very soon, and we will share my views.
Aishwarya. Hello.
Raja,
He would change the nappies of Aradhya in the nights, and he would have sleepless nights. Would you like to say something on this?
What is sure this is the platform for?
Oh my God, I didn't know.
Aishwarya, मेरा सवाल आपसे, अभी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में हमने देखे बहुत सारे यंग एक्टर एक्ट्रेस आ रहे हैं, तो ये ओवरऑल यूथ इंडस्ट्री का जो यूथ पावर आ रहा है और ओवरऑल यूथ, इस यूथ पावर के बारे में आपका क्या कहना है?
More power to them.
Youth power.
More power to them. More power to everyone. And I think, it's the industry has always welcomed new talent in every area, be it acting, be it filmmaking, be it music, editing, cinematography, every aspect, choreography, every aspect, writing. I think it's wonderful that there's such an influx of talent. It's wonderful that people are actually giving fruition to their creative ambition. I think it's wonderful that people are actually looking at, with each passing year, as being a part of this industry professionally, choosing it as a career option. And I think that is the positivity that we need to recognize. That is the positivity that we also need to encourage, and that is the responsibility with which I think everybody needs to come into the creative field, recognizing that this is an industry, and that's what you ought to bring to the table, professionalism to its optimum, and that will always be welcome.
Thank you for your questions, and thank you so much, an honorable guest.
Okay, just a minute.
I would once again like
winding up, I'd just like to say that I'd also like to say on this very platform that my relationship also with Filmfare is marked and is very special because of my rapport and my fondness and my camaraderie and my friendship with Jitesh Pillai, who today, of course, is the editor, and kudos to you. Come here. But I did one of my very first interviews with Filmfare with him. And I'd just like to say that, what's really special about our friendship is there are no favors. It's great because, it's not marked by how many covers I may do or not do. I've actually frustrated him by hardly doing any. But yet the friendship stays, and that's what's great. It's not about, whether I'll be able to do performances or not on the awards night, whether, all that you can professionally bring to a table, whether that can be done or not, whether he wants to give negative opinions or not, he's been free to do so. And I think that's what makes our friendship real in showbiz. And that's why I'd like to say, Jitesh, here we are as friends.
Thank you so much. Round of applause, please, for our guests on the stage. And thank you so much for your patience. And once again, I would like to thank Leela Hotel Mumbai and Mr. Gaurav Singh, General Manager Leela Hotel Mumbai, for their wonderful hospitality. Thank you for your patience, everybody here. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.
मैम सेंटर ऐश्वर्या
wanted to go and do the meet and greet.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Aishwarya.